Hello, this is Randy. I am getting ready to test out the accuracy and power of the Hawk BM series. I have here one of my puzzle box. As you can see, it's about 2.5 inches, which is about the max for this saw. So I am going to try to cut this with a number 3 blade. This is a Pegasus, and this is a little bit smaller blade than what I usually use. But with that smaller kerf, I want to see if the Hawk has enough precision to allow the key to slide. So I'm going to cut it, try to take my time so I don't have any back warp in the blade that throws me off. And let's see if we can make this happen. Here we go. Okay, here we have the completed box. I'm going to, let's see how it does coming straight up. Man, smooth as a baby's butt. And let's take it off the bottom. See, it falls right out. I would say that's pretty good, especially for a 3 blade. All right.